welcome back to my channel. Today I have got a Makeup Monday video for you guys. Please do ignore the Halloween things that are in the background. I'm just pre-filming this and obviously the Halloween is still up and all that jazz. But yes, let's get into this video. Look at the state of my eyebrows. They are so bad. So I'm aware that something needs to be done with these more than just drawing onto them. I am aware of that. So please, before all the haters start giving me a load of crap, bore off, nobody's interested, bye-bye. And I'm going to get straight into this video. Wow, they're actually really, really bad. I will be sorting them out straight after this video. But I wanted to do a quick review video on this. I think it's It Cosmetics. Basically, if you're wondering how can you not know, this came in one of my sub boxes. I believe this probably came in my glossy box quite recently actually, and people were asking about it. So it's basically an eyebrow pencil. Please do ignore my nails. I am just about to put a new set on that are very, very sparkly and I'm very excited. So that is what it looks like. And it's quite hard, which is good because you can get lots of very like thin lines with it. But my favourite thing about this is the spoolie on the other end. You guys know I love me a good spoolie. So I'm just going to brush out these atrocious eyebrows. Holy cow, what am I doing with my life? They're so bad. I really want my eyebrows microblading too. Anyways, let's get in with it and just go straight in. I'm going to move forwards slightly and hopefully I'll be in shot for you guys. And let's go. I've used this once and I was quite impressed. The colour is a good colour as well. I will have a look and see if it says what colour it is. If I'm honest, I'm not really one for like drawing little lines. Like I just want it to be coloured in and be done. So colour wise, I do feel like it's quite warm. This is called Universal Taupe, which I find a little bit strange that it's so warm. Like it is. Are you guys seeing what I'm seeing? Do you guys agree that it's quite warm? Other than that, I do like it and there's nothing wrong with it. Like it will work fine for me. And it's it's not that dark. I do quite dark brows. I know I've got blonde hair, but my eyebrows naturally, as you can see, are quite dark. So I do like quite a brown brow. But I don't think this is too dark. So even if you're blonde, this probably would work for you, unless you've got like really, really blonde eyebrows. And then I like to just brush through slightly. And then, yeah, so that is basically what we are going to be getting today. I didn't even realise that my eyebrows were this bad, you guys. But yeah, so I think for like what it is, it's pretty good. I do think, because I'm guessing that this will be quite pricey with it being It Cosmetics. Obviously, I got it in a sub box, so I can't remember how much it would have said that it was. But I think it's alright. I wouldn't spend a load of money on this. If it's under £5, it's not going to be under £5, is it? I'm really, really cheap, and I know you can get like decent ones. Like I really like the Rimmel one, and it's like £4 or something. But I do love these kind of spoolies. They are like my favourite 100%, like all the way. So I just wanted to do a quick little review kind of thing for you guys. If it was helpful, then please do give me a thumbs up. Yeah, like, I'm just not very good at drawing my eyebrows on, I'm not gonna lie. I like this one better. This one's sharper. Sometimes I like them more curved, sometimes I like them a bit sharper. I think today I'm feeling more of a sharp brow. But yeah. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, then please do hit the subscribe button. We are coming up to Vlogoween. No, we've had Vlogoween. We are coming up to Vlogmas and it is going to be awesome. I cannot wait to get that introduction video out and let you guys know everything that's happening throughout Vlogmas. So yes, thank you so much for watching this video, you guys. I hope it was helpful. Please let me know your opinions on this if you've tried it down below. Also, if you have a favourite brow pencil. I'm more of a pencil person, but if you have a favourite brow product, let me know down below and I might get to try that out. Love you guys. Mwah. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.